What's going on, guys? It's day 1.5 of Car Week in the evening. Gonna go for a cruise down Ocean Avenue to see what we spot and check out some of the hotel parking lots because there are insane cars at almost every high-end hotel in Monterey right now. Wow, this wide-body E46 is crazy. Nice GTR and Mercy. How crazy is this? They've got a red carpet set up on Ocean Ave. Look at that Regera. That is so freaking cool. Oh my God, and a Ferrari 250 GTO. Are you kidding me? If that's real, we've literally got $50 million rolling by down the street. That is insane. That is what Car Week is all about. Seeing somebody casually drive a 250 GTO down the street. Unreal. Wow, look at that green E36. Sick McLaren Sabre. Oh, look at that. And then Huayra following behind a couple of Paganis, trying to find that 250 GTO again. Wow, look at the rear flaps folding up. Two priceless classics. Look at that. Porsche 550 300 SL. Nice LFA too. How sick is that? Oh my God. Oh, nice Black Series. Cool Supra. Nice SVJ. Nice grouping of cars absolutely flooding this tiny driveway. The police presence this year at Car Week has been unreal. There are literally 6 cops every single place that you look. It is unfortunate. Ocean Avenue used to be really cool and poppin' until 1 o'clock in the morning. People were always parking their cars and chatting. But I guess things got a little bit too hectic and now they section it off with barricades after 6 p.m., something like that. People are getting pulled over for modified exhaust too, so I'm trying to take it easy because I don't want to get a state referee for my downpipes. Nice McLaren's coming through. 765. Looks like the entire Rolls-Royce press fleet is here in one spot. That looks pretty cool. Look at the spec on that SF90. That is crazy. 765. Look at this GTR. That thing is so sick. Wow. That is one vibrant blue new generation Rolls-Royce Ghost. I actually love that. This pullout right here was where I first ever drove a McLaren P1. 3 years ago at Monterey Car Week, Triple F Collection was gracious enough to let me drive their full carbon fiber P1 on this road. And I'll never forget that. I gotta go visit those guys sometime. So we just arrived at Carmel Valley Ranch and check out what is in the parking lot. We've got this absolutely insane matte black Pagani Huayra. I love the juxtaposition between the matte black and the carbon fiber. It's subtle, but so cool. White interior too. And then another absolutely gorgeous Pagani. Oh my gosh. And then look at this, guys. This is just breathtaking. I actually don't know why this is parked next to the Paganis with cones in front of it. And then another Huayra next to it. Look at the roof scoop on this thing. I have roof scoop envy. That thing is enormous. And in the back, those titanium quad tips. My friend just pointed out the instrument cluster from the backside is also a work of art. And then obviously those gauges on the inside are nuts. How wild is this? A Bugatti Chiron with a roof rack. Look at that roof box. What's up? Beautiful red P1. That is too sick. Too sick. The Hamilton Collection Squad. Dude, what the? What is that thing? Oh, wait, it's the car in David Dobrik's videos. See ya, man. That is way cool. Yeah, dude. Look at this traffic jam right now. We got a Pininfarina Battista and the Senna GTR being driven on the road again. God damn, look at that thing. gotta watch that back. I was so excited, I don't even know what that was. Well, this isn't that relevant of a tutorial, but I'm low on oil, so let me show you how to change oil in the 600 LT. It's got this little tool in the front trunk. You open these two bolts here. It's kind of annoying, actually, the fact that you need a tool to just add oil, but thankfully it comes with it. And then off comes this little carbon fiber piece, and you've got access to coolant and oil. That Koenigsegg, my God. Check it out, second Koenigsegg coming through. And the third one, oh my God. 300 SL, and look at this Mercy SV. Check it out, 1956 Porsche 550. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at the blue interior. That steering wheel. Love the vents in the rear fenders. Check it out, original California plate from 1956. F50, that is so cool. Oh my God. Wow. Listen to that. Look at the license plate. Stradman and his Bugatti Veyron. This is crazy. Now an all-black Ford GT just showed up. Pair of TVRs. Downtown Monterey is crazy right now. This might just be the coolest spec'd Ferrari F40 in the world. Look at that. Nardo gray. That is absolutely insane. Look at that wing, the engine bay cover, and then the interior is insane. Nice matte black Chiron next to the F40. Cool 300 SL as well.